Hi guys, Aspen from Drone in Asia. I'm out today to test the newest firmware to the Mini 2 or DJI Fly app 1.4.0. The new update is support for the DJI Air 2S of course, but there are some functions changed on the Mini 2 as well. Nothing major, but we have some stuff it's maybe it's a little bit easier to navigate on the menu on the Fly app. So I'm gonna fly a little bit and test it and just to see how it is. So if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel Drone in Asia. I really hope you will do that. So check out my flight. See you. Bye bye. So guys, we got an update for the remote controller, the RC-N1 0.411.0016. It's added support between the Air 2S and the Air 2 and the DJI Mini 2 when using the RC remote controller. So I think you can use one remote controller for all your drones, so that's pretty good. I only have one drone, but if you don't have to drag different controller with you, so you can use just one controller to bind it to your drone. So that's really nice. So let's see here. I just want to show you the first thing I noticed with the newest firmware. You can see that you have some new settings in the bottom. You don't need to go into your library here to change your settings between 4K or 2.7K or 1080p. Everything is down below here, so that's really great. It's so much easier just to push and change your settings here. Really easy and quick to do that, so that's really nice. And then let's see, on the zoom you have the zoom function. I think you can hold it down and zoom in and out like that, so that's really nice. And I think you can see on 2.7K, I think it's the same there. If you hold down, you can zoom up and down. That's really nice. I think you can hold in your function button too and zoom in and out. The function on the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. So you can zoom in 3 times on 2.7K, and on 1080p, let's see, I think you can zoom in 4 times. So you can zoom in like this. Yeah, you can zoom in 4 times and zoom out again. Or you can use your finger and hold it down and zoom in like that. So that's really nice. So yeah, let's change to 4K. So it's really easy to change your settings when you have everything clear like this on the main screen. So that's because of course the support for the new drone. And let's see just quick on the menu. Let's see here with something new here. I don't think it's something new. Let's go to control. Nothing new that I can see. Camera. Nothing. Transmission. Everything the same. Yeah, I have a new phone. Let's just